In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to save and load filter profile on WordPress blog post editing plugin. Loading filter profile is one of the most effective features of WordPress blog post editing plugin, which can save you a lot of time by filtering the posts that you need to bulk edit frequently, so you can load the filter profile that you have saved before according to your requirements quickly from the main page without any need to open the filter form and set the conditions over and over again. In order to save a filter profile, you need to set some conditions in the filter form. For example, consider that you need to filter posts that are published in April 2024 to your weblog. So you have to open the Date and Type tab from the filter form and then set the post status to Published and date in the date published field. Save the filter profile by typing a name. You must type a name for your filter profile to load it later from the filter profile list. For example, we typed April posts as the name of our filter profile and then clicked on Save Profile. You can set other conditions that you think you constantly need for bulk editing your posts and save them as a filter profile. Loading filter profile. In order to load the filter profile that you have already saved in the filter form, you need to click on the filter icon in the toolbar. Now, by clicking on this button, a pop-up will appear including a list of all filter profiles that you saved before. And as you can see, you have access to some options including Use Always, which by marking Use Always for each one, the filter profile you have selected will be applied anytime you open the plugin. Then we have Delete. Delete option is helpful when a filter profile is no longer useful for you, so you can easily remove it from the list by clicking on the Delete button. Loading filter profile. If you click on the Load button in front of any filter profile, the posts will be filtered according to the conditions you set before. For example, as you can see, the posts published in April 2024 were displayed in the post table by using Load button in front of April posts filter profile.